でんとう. You hear it at home, at school, or on the street when talking about making a place bright or using a switch. でんとう、家の中や学校、道で明るくするときに使う場面でよく出ます。It is used as a noun. でんとう literally means a light that runs on electricity. It can be the lamp/fixture itself or the lighting it gives. 電気で光る明かりや装置のこと。家や道を照らすためのものです。The first kanji means electricity and lightning. It appears in basic words like denki and densha. It carries the idea of power and energy. You meet anywhere machines and power are involved. The second kanji means lamp and flame. You can see it in todai and tento. It suggests a light that shines or is turned on. It often points to a source of brightness. This light is bright. この電灯は明るいです。この電灯は明るいです。Turn on the lights in the room. 部屋の電灯をつけます。部屋の電灯をつけます。Please turn off the lights before going to bed. 寝る前に電灯を消してください。寝る前に電灯を消してください。Where is the light switch? 電灯のスイッチはどこですか？電灯のスイッチはどこですか？ The most common synonyms of the word are shomei and akari. Shomei is broader and a bit formal, often for room or building lighting. Akari is casual and can mean any light or glow. Dento focuses on the electric lamp or light source itself. The most common antonym of the word is kurayami, which is the absence of light. Unlike dento, which gives brightness, kurayami means a dark space with no light source.